Hi friends, Tracy.bish here, Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Australia. Welcome to card 2 of the Sparkling Celebrations May PaperPumpkin kit. Absolutely amazing. We are doing a quick stamp on our die cut there, the Time to Celebrate. Now this is all about the starry sky and fireworks, and this card actually turns out so much better than it looks in the picture. There's lots of dimension and it's super fun. So and it also has some little embellishments on it as well, which I didn't really see in the promo, so it's nice to have those little embellishments as well. So this is the second card of the 3 cards. I'll be doing another quick video really soon with the third card, and then we've got alternatives to this kit. Now each month I'm bringing you the unboxing. I'm going to be doing videos for each of the projects that are part of that kit, and then we have alternative projects as well, and I'm super excited for this month's alternative projects. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and keep checking back regularly, because although this kit was not one of my favorites when I first saw it, the more I've played with it, the more fun I've had with it, and I think you're going to like the alternatives as well. So make sure that you keep coming back and seeing my quick videos on the PaperPumpkin for this month. Now I also do videos on other Stampin' Up! Products, so I hope that you're enjoying those as well. So we're adding all our little die cuts here. Now these 3 little sparkles have those little gems inside it, and man, you can't really see that in the pictures, but in real life, once you add those sparkles, it really sets off that starry sky in the background, and this card is so fun and so much better than how it looks. I'll be back with card 3, so come back and see that. Alright everyone, enjoy your day. Bye.